To get started with creating tasks, open a web browser and type in Todoist in the search bar. The first option will likely be Todoist.com. Although you may encounter some ads beforehand, once you click on the link, it will take you to a web page where you can find various templates, including task searches, inbox, today, upcoming, filters, labels, projects, and appointments. You can also add a team if needed. To create a new task, click on the prompt and enter a task name, which will help you identify and recognize what needs to be done. You can then add a brief description, due date, assign a person to complete the task, set a priority level, and even set reminders. Additionally, you can take more actions, such as adding the task to an inbox, assigning it to someone, or canceling it. Once you click Add Task, it will be added to the person or yourself that you created it for. This tool allows for efficient task management, and with its various features, you can stay organized and on top of your tasks.